what we got going on here is a little small bolt that I put a hole through. I'm going to end up cutting this head off of it. Oh man, the light. But yeah, put a hole through the center of it because I'm going to use it as a repair on a radiator. And that's where I'm at with it. It looks like I could open it up a little bit more. Alright, so next on the surgery part of the process is to cut the head of this bolt off. And yep, that's what that looks like. I got to clean her off there and I'll be headed your way. So I got it tapped right here in a little hole. This is where that little bolt thing I drilled out goes for the nipple. Yeah, already got the belts on there. Had to take that belly pin, that shield off the bottom to get to that lower alternator belt, but got all your belts on there, all 3 of them, and I'm gonna thread this on there and glue it. Yep, it's gonna be great. And that's what that looks like for now. Let it dry up some and seal up some more. That I think the cold adversely affect that sealant though. 28 degrees, that temperature might have adversely affected that stuff. I didn't even think about that, man. But it's all threaded in there good. That's something it's got going for it. Let it harden up now. Had to throw the old jump box, put the jump box on it. Yeah, we're all good.